It's a beautiful morning in Auburn, Michigan. Just wanted to do a quick video of my 1960 Chevy C60 LCF. It's low cab forward. It's got a kind of a short hood. This truck was formerly a local truck, a farm just north of town. Was a tandem axle. I cut about maybe 6 or 8 feet off the back, so won't be doing that. Hauling grain to the elevator anymore. Has these hoist equipment. It's actually 2 telescopic cylinders, PTO driven pump. You can see I don't have a mount for the rear leaf spring yet, but just want to shorten it up and maybe not ever do anything with it. But it's got small block 350, and according to the original, or the owner, I got it at an estate, and he said that the engine it has in it now came out of a passenger car. During harvest time, the engine blew up, so they quick swapped it out of a, I don't know, passenger car in the 70s. So it's got a 70s era small block in it. It's got typical grain truck mouse infestation. Gas tank's behind the seat. It's got kind of a cool dog house. Kind of looks like a diff cover on the inside. You can take it off and the distributor's right there. Pretty bare bones. Info sheet's kind of gone. Tells you about some axle ratios for high, low, and the speeds you could expect to go. $100-mile-an-hour speedometer, so that's good. Also, this factory tach actually works too. We had it running for a little bit last winter, and that was really neat. Let's look under the hood quick. We got just loads of room in here. Could probably fit a whole nother Ecotech right in here. So I just put this screen over the carb to keep mice out, but it's got a big oil bath air cleaner that kind of mounts up on a bracket up here. Takes up a lot of space, so I removed that so we could work on it. Line lock for the parking brake. And horn. So this here's kind of one of my problems. Following a YouTuber, Wesley Johnson. He had actually, on a Ford F600 or 700, he had actually put a Hydromax booster on it, and I think that's what I need to do here. It's got this combo clutch and brake master cylinder, and I think I just need to get a clutch master cylinder from Speedway or Jegs or something and run the brakes separately. I'd do front and rear circuits for the brakes and, you know, make that all good. But so yeah, 1960 Chevy C60 LCF. Yes, that is a DJ5 Jeep over there. And 4BT Astrovan 4-wheel drive. More to come.